This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Jim Stanley. This home has so much to offer. This 3-bed, 2-bath home has a large living room with a rock fireplace, second den, kitchen with an island, a storage room off the kitchen with laundry, a large screened-in porch, a covered carport on front, a nice shop, a paddock for your animals with a large shelter and bath, city water, well water and a great setting. Call to see it today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Stanley at 479-264-7294.